Hello dear friends and Assalamu alaikum. Today I have a sheet for you that is helpful for teachers, and teachers can keep their students record like their papers, marks and assignments, quizzes and presentations, everything like that. They can keep the record of their marks here. So this is check record sheet, this is data sheet. Here the student ID, student name, class and section and his marks. There are 7 different assignments, okay, and you can write the details about these assignments. Like the first one might be the paper for midterm, the second one could be the paper for final term, the third one could be a test or quiz or presentation or anything like that. So you can manage these things here and write their marks as well. So this is data sheet, this is detail sheet, and this is check record sheet. Now click on the student record, write any ID, like I have this 15. This one is for the student name Amo. Okay. If I click next student, see the student's name and detail is changed. Also I can update the marks here. For example, in final paper the student got 18 marks. I'm just going to click update record button. Now you see the marks for this student has been changed. So I hope this sheet might be helpful for teachers and they can keep their student record. And if a student want to know about his marks, all you have to do is just write his ID and press the find record button and you can tell his marks. So hope you like this. You can download this file from the comment or in description section and use it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.